Hey everyone, we are here today with a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. So this is a Infinite Nebula putty. It is a Cosmic Glows, which is cosmic is when the glitter in the putty will actually glow in the dark, and the glows should mean that the putty itself actually glows in the dark as well. So usually on these glow putties, the picture here on the front will kind of show you what the glow color will be. So this one has kind of a yellowish green outline. So I'm guessing maybe this one's going to glow yellow in the dark, and I'm not sure what color the glitter will glow, but I guess we'll find out. So here in the back of the tin, you have just a little bit more of a description of the putty. And they do say here, let's say a gold, pink, and purple glow reveals itself in the dark. So let's get this one open and we'll take a closer look. So right away, I'm just loving the way this putty looks. It's just really super shiny. I love the shiny putties. Call me a simple man, but anything sparkly, it catches my eye. And this one is extremely sparkly. There's tons of glitter pieces in there. And this bluish color is really pretty as well. Really, really pretty putty in this one. And then let's get this out here. We'll take a look a little bit closer. So yeah, I mean, really, really pretty. I can't get over just how nice this one actually looks. Everything from the putty color here to the glitter in the putty as well. It's just really brilliant. It's got kind of a shimmeriness to it as well. And as far as the glitter in here, it's a lot of tiny little, specks of pieces of glitter. What colors are we picking up there? It's hard to say. I mean, definitely some gold, purple, blues, and greens. Quite a good mix of different colors in the glitter for this one. But again, I think the really nice thing is just the blue color on this putty. It's really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. Knocking my camera over. But that's okay. So that actually ripped. Sometimes the putty, when you're stretching it, this one, it's a little bit firmer. So sometimes you'll have that. I got a little bit too excited, I guess. started stretching a little bit too intensely there, I guess. Because normally these putties will stretch really, really nice. But every once in a while you get a rip like that. But that could just be from me, pulling it with too much pressure. But super, super pretty. But let me get my UV light out here, and we'll give this a charge to glow in the dark. And I do recommend getting one of these. So this is a UV or black light, just like a little flashlight, because these glow putties, they do need that UV light to actually work. So they won't work in like a normal, office light or room light, that's like an LED light or incandescent bulb. They do need the UV light rays, which you could buy like a black light like this, or could take it out in the sun, and the sun has plenty of UV light that will charge this up really fast. But definitely recommend getting one of these if you have the glow putties, because it charges them up pretty quickly here. Yeah, so right away, we're actually getting some color change. I'm seeing on my end, at least. I know there's a little bit of glare on the camera, but it's starting to turn almost like looks kind of grayish purple. And the putty is, not the putty, the glitter is lighting up a little bit. It's kind of getting very bright here under the light. But that should be plenty of UV light. Let's go turn off the light, and we'll give this one a look. Wow, so look at that in the dark here now. It's sort of an orange color. Now the camera is showing it more as I guess you would say, kind of yellowish, brown, white, a mix of those colors, maybe a little bit of orange in there. But look at that glitter. That glitter is lighting up really beautifully. And as I stretch it here and the putty gets thin, it really does look like the infinite nebula. It looks like we're in space. Man, that is super satisfying. Now there's the back side of it, so we didn't charge that back part. Sometimes that could be fun to play with, you know, if you start twisting it and you're kind of mixing it together. But let me get my UV light here again. Give it another quick charge. Hopefully the camera will pick up on the focus here. Okay, but that should be plenty. And man, really, really bright glow on that. And definitely, I would say on my end, it has a orange glow. And the glitter on my end looks to be green and purple. And I think that's what's coming through here on the camera as well. Yeah, and some silver on the camera. But man, that is beautiful. I really like these cosmic glows. These are such fun putties. I really like all the glow putties, but these cosmic ones that have the glitter that glows too, that is super fun. Really, really nice putty. Let me go turn on the light. And we're back to that really, really pretty blue color with the glitter. This is a nice one. This is definitely one of my favorites. Just really beautiful, lots of fun to play with in the light, and then takes it to a whole nother level in the dark. Very, very fun, very cool. But that is the Infinite Nebula Thinking Putty. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I would definitely appreciate a like on the video and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. But that'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.